Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fall Guys not loading. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first, click here and now go to Device Manager. Now go to Display Adapters, click on the first one, go to the driver and then update driver and do the same thing to the next one. Now just close it and go to View Advanced System Settings. Now settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and you can change it to best appearance whenever you want. Now just click OK and close it. Then go to GeForce Experience. If you don't have it, just download it from any browser. Check for updates, install the latest one for your graphics card, and then try again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.